Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll demonstrate how to connect your phone to alexaechodot and use this alexaechodot as Bluetooth speaker. Shall we start, Alexa?
Sure, Usha.
Alright then, let's get started. Alexa, connect to my phone.
Searching. I didn't find anything to connect. To pair something new, go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and choose echodot-AV1.
Okay, it seems like Bluetooth is off on my mobile, so we need to turn on Bluetooth. And Alexa suggested me to look for the device name as echodot-AV1. So let me turn on the Bluetooth.
Settings. Bluetooth. Heading. Bluetooth. Off.
So I'll on it.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth. On. This iPhone is discoverable as my devices. Keyboard. One. Rocker. Sound. We pulls. Other. And progress. Echo.av1. Button.
Echo.av1. So here is the device. I'll double tap on this.
Echo.av1. Connecting.
Connected to Usha's iPhone. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
That's it. Alexa will now work as Bluetooth speaker. Whatever I play on my phone, the same thing will be played on Alexa device. Now I'll try to play a video from my own YouTube channel on my phone. So let's see if it plays in Alexa device or not. Okay. Let me increase the volume. Alexa, increase volume to 8.
Video player. Collapse video. Auto play. Rewind. Play. Forward. Next. Track position. Less than a second. Full screen. Be My AI beta version demo and act.
Okay. The podcast that I made on Be My AI, that podcast I'm going to play. It's from my own channel. So I'm playing.
Video player. Collapse. Auto play. Past. Caption. More. Previous. Rewind. Play. Button. Pause. Video player. Button.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and myself Usha.
Collapse video. Button.
In this podcast, I'll demonstrate. Yes, whatever I'm playing on phone is getting played in Alexa device. So in this way, we can use Alexa as Bluetooth speaker. Now let me disconnect and show you. I'll go to settings.
Settings. Rockers 330. Settings. Bluetooth. This iPhone is discoverable as my devices. Echo.av1. Connected.
Okay, echo.av1 is connected. Let me
More info.
go to more.
Name. Echo. Device type. Disconnected. Button.
I'll try to disconnect it.
Bluetooth. On.
So you'll get a tone like that. Okay, so let me connect again.
Settings. This iPhone. My devices. Echo.av1. Not connected.
Not
Button.
connected. I'll double tap on this.
Echo.av1. Connecting.
Now connected to Usha's iPhone.
Echo.av1. Connect. Keyboard.
And if you want to forget this device completely, then go to
Echo.av1. Connected. Button.
okay, go to the device name, flick down.
More info.
Once voiceover says more info, double tap.
Name. Device. Disconnect. Forget this device.
Forget this device, double tap.
Forget alert. Forget device. Button. Cancel. Cancel. Forget device. Button.
Forget device. So once we disconnect or forget, we get this tone. That's all in this podcast. Thank you.